Welcome to Ayurveda. We have been talking about this particular curcumin, a product which is made up of turmeric. You know very well, there is a substance called curcumin in turmeric. We have extracted particular curcumin from turmeric and we made this particular product called curcumin, and it's a wonderful product. In India, we have a culture of using this particular turmeric in every recipe or in every rituals, because this turmeric is rather gives protection. This is what our Sanskrit scripture says. It is a rakshaka, that means protector. So first we perform puja to this haldi ganapati, or a ganapati which is made up of turmeric, because in order to request or seek blessings and protection. That means, is curcumin is going to give you protection? Yes. Definitely curcumin is going to give you protection for your body. Last few episodes we are talking about, or we have been talking about this particular curcumin, which is made of curcumin, which is extracted from this turmeric, and how it protects, and the challenges what we have faced to prepare this particular product, and as an anti-aging, what is the beautiful action of this particular curcumin. Today we are going to deal with this particular curcumin and rheumatoid arthritis. In fact, about this particular rheumatoid arthritis, it is well described in our Vedas, Rig Veda especially, Rig Veda and Ayurveda. This particular rheumatoid arthritis is described as Amavata. This Amavata is, they mentioned it very clearly, all the symptoms which is pertaining to this particular rheumatoid arthritis. They have well described about this, and the remedies also they have mentioned in this. In that particular remedy, they have identified this turmeric is an important substance to give the protection for this rheumatoid arthritis. And this rheumatoid arthritis is well described in Madhava's writings. This particular Madhava belongs to the 9th century. The other Madhava, popularly known for this mathematical contribution, belongs to 12th century. But whatever said and done, this particular rheumatoid arthritis is not new for India, and the remedy is also not new for India. We know it well before. However, this rheumatoid arthritis is anything referred to the autoimmune disorder. That means our own body's defense mechanism by mistake attacks the synovial joints or the joints of these particular bones, which results in stiffness, pain, swelling and everything, which we call it as rheumatoid arthritis. Whatever said and done, this particular rheumatoid arthritis is, it spells on the quality of life. If you take, women are more prone for this particular rheumatoid arthritis when compared to men. It is 1:3 or 1:4, whatever it may be. For every 3 women will get this rheumatoid arthritis, only 1 man will get arthritis. This is because the women's sedentary life now. Earlier women used to be very active and they used to sit and they used to cook the food. But today women are running and they are preparing cooking. Our entire this thing is only by standing only. And morning if you go to any house, it's a panicky how the woman will move in this thing, and she is not taking proper food also. In earlier ancient days, the woman is designed in such a way that she should be protected from every act of these autoimmune disorders. There used to be beautiful exercise in their lifestyle, in the working style, or a day's work. Everything is designed with this particular exercises. They used to cook the food. They used to prepare everything. They used to do physical work. But today women, they are subjected, number one, for more stress because of the environmental pollutions and working style, lifestyle, and a sedentary life, late night working and running after this thing, and no proper exercise. Proper exercise in them is the exercise which is required for the women. They are not doing that. And second thing is 40 to 60 is the age for this particular rheumatoid arthritis. In rheumatoid arthritis, normally there will be morning stiffness and joints are stiff, morning swelling, pain, and it becomes difficult for anybody to get up, and it lasts for 30 minutes. Normally, in rheumatoid arthritis, we can observe the symmetry pattern. That means both the joints simultaneously, the same joints of both the sides will be affected. There will be fatigue and low-grade temperature and swelling, redness, itching, and loss of sensation to the part. And there may be a slight temperature rise either locally or total body. In rheumatoid arthritis, these hands will involve, and small joints, starting from what you call finger joints, toes joints, knee joints, ankle joints, hip, larger joints, every joint is affected in this particular rheumatoid arthritis because it is an autoimmune nature. To test this particular rheumatoid arthritis, we have certain markers or laboratory tests. You can test through blood, RH factor, which is called rheumatoid factor, you can observe. And of course, the marker is CRP, C-reactive protein. If the C-reactive protein is on rise, that means he is having this particular autoimmune disorder or rheumatoid arthritis. And second thing is ESR. These are all the factors which indicates that this particular man or woman are having this particular rheumatoid arthritis. And we have discussed about this particular curcumin, which is made up of turmeric, are extracted from turmeric, a substance called curcumin. And this curcumin is a product of curcumin, and the problem with this curcumin is it is available to the tune of 5% only in turmeric. And second problem is whatever amount of curcumin you give to the body, only 5% is absorbed and balance goes as a waste. To see that it is absorbed 100%, we have added a formulation technology. We have added piperine, that too activated piperine. We are activating curcumin also through a process called bhavana. That means it is potentized curcumin and potentized piperine we are adding to see that the drug is completely absorbed. And exclusively for curcumin, we have another technology. We have added gingerol, which is extracted from ginger. And we have added a galangal, which is extracted from galangal. And both the substances belongs to the same family of curcumin, which the family name is Gingiberaceae. All the three are having similar action. And this gingerol and galangal, they further activates or amplifies the action of this particular curcumin. All these factors put together along with an adaptogen called tulsi gives you wonderful result in rheumatoid arthritis. As we described well, this rheumatoid arthritis is autoimmune nature, and the mode of action of this particular curcumin, it acts directly on NFKB or nuclear factor kappa beta. This NFKB is a inflammatory transcriptor which gives birth to this particular cytokines. TNF alpha and IL beta 1 and IL 6. These are all the factors which will be activated, and cytokines activates that means it attacks the joints. The beautiful action of this curcumin is it deactivates this NFKB. That action itself is enough. And curcumin has got a beautiful mode of action against COX and LOX. These COX and LOX are the root causes for these prostaglandins, and prostaglandins are the main pain contributors or pain mediators. So the intensity of the pain is drastically reduced with this particular curcumin. Don't you feel it's a wonderful product? And especially curcumin or curcumin, along with this particular substance, what I have explained to you, has got a powerful antioxidant action. And it produces or increases this particular antioxidant enzymes, which is superoxide dismutase, so that it activates this it suppresses this particular T cell activity, again through which this particular autoimmune disorders or autoimmune activities are reduced. Put together these particular ingredients, especially curcumin and galangal, gingerol and holy basil, along with piperine, acts wonderfully against this particular rheumatoid arthritis. To know more about this particular product or coming products, kindly subscribe our channel. If you want this product, kindly call these numbers. Our telecallers will answer your call and they will deliver this particular product to your doorsteps. Thank you very much.